Fold 6 paper towels lengthwise 2 times and each in half afterwards. Arrange the cups side by side in a straight line. Fill alternate cups with water about halfway to 3/4 full. You can integrate numeracy here. Get the older children to identify odd and even numbers, and for the younger ones, simply get them to count. Add the food coloring to the water. We will be using the primary colors and one color will be repeated. In this part, you can discuss with the children about colors, primary and secondary, and see how much they know about this topic. Put one end of each paper towel in a cup with water and the other end in an empty cup like so. Now it's time to observe, compare, and record findings.